Hi guys, so today, as you all know, I have cleaned the walls with Pine Sol and water, and this one, and done the dashboards right there. So now I'm going to paint it, and as you all know, it's behind the refrigerator, and then this is going in front of it. And now we are ready for painting. Let's go. Oh yeah, and this I had to stir up. And this, I'm going to have to pour in this tray. So, yeah. Now this is ready for painting. Okay. Yeah, I'm doing that to make sure that y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay. Let's pour it in the tray. Pour, pour, pour. Now that I've stirred the paint. Okay. Alright. And I'm going to use this paintbrush and I'm going to paint by hand. Oh, shit. Okay. Here we go now. I'm going to start with this wall right here.
We've Jeannie's going to bed. I think she's tired.
She is.
Are you trying to fit? think she's throwing a fit because we're in here and she's not.
Okay, so as you guys well know, I keep looking over here because I want to make sure that you can see the view of it actually see. Okay guys, so I'm almost done with this wall, but I'm running out of battery. So I'm gonna wait till this wall is fully dried and then I will come back and show you what it's like when it's dried. So, and when I've got this one painted so you can see it. So this is, what is this? I don't fucking give a crap. This completes part of the set. So when this is all dry, I'll show you what it looks like.